Okay guys, now we're on your roof edge and you can see areas like this here. We have the hole going down the side here. And you can see areas like this here where the shovels were dug in. This is many places here. You can see the slits, more gouges and slits. It's on every one of these pretty much all the way down. More of them here. And here. And this continues along all these drain areas. And so there are a couple things that we can do here. One, we're noticing that these ridges here are higher than this area down here. And so one thing that we would do, so this has better drainage, is we would actually cut this area out here, remove this EPDM material, install new EPDM material that would have a lower channel to go over the edge, and then we would use a mastic and fully fabric reinforce all this so it was reinforced and strong for you, so you wouldn't have any more seams there. And we would do that along this whole edge here, as well as where your other drains are on the other side. And again, you can see there's more holes in the membrane, and we would do the same thing on all of these here. Now you can see you have your water ponding here, and it's not able to reach the drain because the drain is higher. This is a heavy ponding area that goes from this corner all the way up to where you see the dirt end over there. That's a sign of your ponding. One thing we can do to remedy this is we can do a slope building material, and it's specifically designed for EPDM rubber roofs like you have here, and it actually raises this area. It's a liquid that raises this area, and it's a reinforced polymer that hardens nicely, and then we fabric reinforce the whole section all the way down. So now your water will drain from up top seamlessly right into your drains instead of being caught here. And that would help you avoid your ice problem in the winter time with having this actually be a solid ice dam here. And let's see what else we have here. We showed you some of the tears that we found and flashing failures that we found. We got up over 100 leaks that we've found so far, so we stopped counting, and we just wanted to notify you guys of some of the areas that we found the leaks. A lot of seams are gone, a lot of flashing around units, penetrations, and that's what happens with rubber roofs. Is unfortunately, there's another one there that we hadn't seen right there, right in the ponding area. Unfortunately, with EPDM rubber roofs, they have seams, and that's what fails on these. The seams actually through thermal shock, which is the sun heating up this surface, letting it expand through the heat, and then it rains on it and it contracts real quickly. It makes these seams pop, makes your flashings pop. Another thing that happens is in areas like we just showed you over there, where you have what's called a fish mouth, the water gets in there in the fall and winter time, and it actually expands as it freezes overnight, and then it thaws the next day when the sun hits the membrane, and it goes in further, and then it expands when it freezes overnight, and it makes the membrane actually pop. It pops a hole right through it, and so you have leaks. So we offer a system that is a full roof restoration that makes these roofs seamless, so you don't have that anymore. So you would have essentially a seamless monolithic membrane where no water can penetrate anywhere. It's almost like a liquid pool liner over the whole roof. It's fluid applied. It's the Energy Star rated roof that we'll give you guys an option for as well. Greg from Citadel Roof Systems, 603-969-0968.